This secret ingredient has been unfairly demonized for decades. Its true nature remains widely misunderstood by many. Today, we uncover the truth about monosodium glutamate, often simply called MSG. It's a controversial food additive. This compound enhances flavor, creating the umami taste. But MSG sparked fear, fueled by misunderstanding and anecdote. Its story reveals more about perception than chemistry. Join us to separate scientific fact from enduring fiction. Our story begins in Japan, year 1908. Chemist Kikunae Ikeda isolated glutamate from kombu seaweed. He identified this umami as a fifth basic taste. MSG, a sodium salt of glutamic acid, was born. It naturally occurs in tomatoes, cheese, and mushrooms. MSG was initially welcomed, enhancing many savory dishes. Its unique flavor profile quickly became globally popular. The controversy erupted in 1968, dramatically changing perceptions. Dr. Robert Ho Man Kwok wrote to a medical journal. He described symptoms after eating at Chinese restaurants. These included numbness, weakness, and heart palpitations. He coined the term Chinese restaurant syndrome, CRS. This anecdotal letter quickly gained significant public attention. Media sensationalism amplified the narrative of MSG's dangers. Fears about Asian cuisine and MSG spread rapidly. Scientists soon investigated these alleged MSG side effects. Extensive double-blind, placebo-controlled studies were conducted worldwide. Participants received either MSG or a harmless substitute. Researchers observed no consistent, reproducible adverse reactions. Some individuals reported symptoms, but without MSG correlation. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, reviewed evidence. They reaffirmed MSG as generally recognized as safe, GRAS.
This designation applies to many common food ingredients.
It means experts consider it safe under intended use. Applies to many common food, despite scientific ingredients consensus. The myth stubbornly persisted. Many restaurants proudly advertised no MSG on menus. This reinforced the unfounded perception of MSG's harm. It also created an unfair stigma against certain cuisines. The American Chemical Society actively debunked these myths. Education campaigns aimed to restore MSG's reputation. Understanding glutamate's role in flavor became crucial. It highlights the power of anecdote over hard data. MSG remains a safe, effective flavor enhancer. The controversy teaches valuable lessons about public health. Always question narratives lacking robust scientific backing. Embrace food science for truly informed culinary choices. Subscribe to explore more fascinating food science stories.